are holding the Honorable MCA for Viwandani, that is Honorable Aaron Kangára, together with other two individuals. One of them had already been arrested and charged for the offenses. That is one of the goons had already been arrested. So I would not wish to comment much or rather prosecute the matter before the media, as the same is already in court. Let's not get into this behavior where we want to be that lawless to the extent that we don't care whatever harms the others within our society. And even for this matter, we are still going for the others who are also involved in the same. There are many characters involved in the same, but we are going for them wherever they are. At Donham Interchange, late June, Honorable Aaron Kangára, alias Rooney, that is the MCA for Viwandani within Makadara,